Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ride a motorcycle and want to use Waze for navigation, but you have absolutely zero knowledge about Waze, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Waze for motorcycle riding step by step in very simple language. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Waze confidently on your bike. First of all, take your phone and open the Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. In the search bar, type Waze and download the Waze Navigation and Live Traffic app. Once the app is installed, open it. When you open Waze for the first time, it will ask for some permissions. Allow location access because Waze needs your live location to give directions. You can choose Allow while using the app. It may also ask for notification permission. You can allow that too because it helps with alerts like traffic or police reports. Now you'll see the main Waze screen with a map. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the search icon, which is the settings button, usually in the top corner. Tap on it. Inside settings, tap on vehicle details or vehicle type depending on your app version. Here is the important part. By default, Waze is set for a car. Tap on vehicle type and select motorcycle if the option is available in your region. If you see two-wheeler or motorbike, select that. This helps Waze give routes that are more suitable for bikes. If you do not see a motorcycle option, don't panic. Waze still works for bikes. In that case, go back to settings and tap on navigation. Make sure options like avoid toll roads, avoid highways, or avoid ferries are set according to your preference. Many bike riders prefer avoiding highways, so you can turn that on if needed. Next, go to sound and voice settings. Choose a voice language you understand clearly. Turn on voice directions so you don't have to look at your phone while riding. This is very important for safety. You can also connect Bluetooth earphones or a helmet Bluetooth device for better audio. Now let's set a route. Go back to the main screen and tap the search icon again. Type your destination, for example, a place name, shop, or address. Select the correct result from the list. Waze will show you the route and estimated time. Tap Go Now to start navigation. While riding, Waze will give you live directions, traffic updates, road closures, and alerts like accidents or police reports. You don't need to touch the phone while riding. Just listen to the voice instructions. One important tip is phone mounting. Always use a proper bike phone mount and keep your phone in a stable position. Never hold the phone in your hand while riding. That's it. This is how you set up and use Waze for motorcycle riding, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your biker friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.